What is the most disgusting scientific fact you know? Blue whales can have as much as 250 grams of earwax per ear. This forms into plugs that are up to 25 centimeters in length. As they have no means of extracting the earwax, it accumulates over their entire lifetime. The wax secreted is a light color when the whale's diet is high in fat and darker during the season when the whale is migrating or fasting. It forms alternating layers that can be counted to estimate the age of the whale, just like the rings on a tree stump. If you eat a polar bear liver, you will die. Humans can't handle that much vitamin A. After a pregnant woman dies, the gases that form inside of her decomposing body can exert enough pressure to push the baby out. Chimpanzees cull the populations of rival clans by stealing babies and eating them, and sometimes raping the fertile females and leaving them there. But chimpanzees recognize human babies as very similar. Chimpanzees have been known to raid villages and steal babies, then eat and rape them in the jungle. This completely changes the Jungle Book for me. That the portion of the brain in humans that is responsible for feelings of disgust goes quiet is suppressed relative to the rest of the brain when a human becomes sexually aroused. Now you know why disturbing sexual fetishes exist. When penguins get depressed, they kill themselves. At least they're already dressed for the funeral. There is an operation done where they take the poop out of one person and transplant into another person. Dead people can get goosebumps. If you have some yogurt, leave a little left and fill the rest with milk, then leave it overnight, and you will have more yogurt. My girlfriend does this. Infinite yogurt. Dolphins have prehensile penises and can be sexually aggressive towards humans. Butterflies drink the blood and tears of their enemies. Traumatic insemination. You think rape is bad? Well, it definitely is. But some male insects pierce the abdominal cavities of the female and inseminate them directly. All bed bugs reproduce in this way, which means this goes on in your bedroom. Also nematodes, sea slugs, and a species of spider, among other organisms. When a baby girl is born, she can have a menstruation a week or two from the birth due to the fact that the mother's hormones are still in action in her tiny body. Male giraffes will hit their heads into a female giraffe's crotch to make them pee. Once the female giraffe pees, the male drinks it to test if she's fertile. Also, this part isn't disgusting but more interesting. Giraffes have such a long gestation period that 90% of giraffe sex is male on male. There are tiny bugs on our eyelashes. I've come to the realization that pretty much everything I interact with, including my own body, is covered with weird shit. What if those bugs have tiny bugs on their eyelashes? Heard something on QI the other night, not really disgusting but pretty disturbing all the same. They said that meerkats push their children out into roads to test that there are no cars before they cross the road themselves. Some tumors, known as teratoma, can grow teeth, hair, and bone, and very rarely more complex organs or processes such as eyes, torso, and hands, feet, or other limbs. Not really disgusting, but 70% of the world's population is lactose intolerant, but most people don't know. Well, I guess it could be disgusting if you consider eating dairy can cause violent diarrhea and constant farting. Lactose tolerance is actually a mutation. When you smell my fart, bits that were touching my inner rectum are now touching the inside of your nose. Science. Disgusting. Vanilla and raspberry artificial flavorings are extracts from beaver anuses. Sad. Baboons kidnap feral puppies as pets and guardians. Lady cum is a mucus lining. You're basically licking tasting snot. You're welcome. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Write in the comments below the video what disgusting science fact you know. And also be sure to subscribe to our channel to not miss new super interesting videos, and I suggest you watch our other videos.